Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into why Microsoft Edge is the smartest browser you need in your digital toolkit. So let's cut to the chase. Microsoft Edge is not just another browser, it's a powerhouse packed with advanced AI features. One standout feature is the built-in Copilot powered by GPT-4. Copilot helps streamline your searches, offers detailed answers, and even summarizes information in a snap. Need to generate images? Copilot's got you covered with DALL-E 3 integration. Whether you're browsing, shopping, or creating content, Microsoft Edge turns your tasks into a breeze. But wait, there's more. Privacy and security are paramount with Microsoft Edge. It comes equipped with tracking prevention, Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, and in-private browsing. This means your online data stays protected, and your browsing history remains private. Plus, syncing your passwords, favorites, and other data across devices is secure and seamless. Now let's talk about search and content creation. With the power of GPT-4, Copilot enhances your searches by offering comprehensive answers and concise page summaries. Need to create content? Edge's AI-driven features make drafting, summarizing, and even generating images a cakewalk. And if you prefer listening over reading, use the Read Aloud feature to listen to web pages in a variety of natural voices and accents. Shopping online? Microsoft Edge has you covered there too. Use built-in tools to find and apply coupons effortlessly. Plus, earn rewards through Microsoft Rewards. Enjoy cashback and other perks when you shop with participating retailers. It's like having a personal shopping assistant. Let's recap the key features that make Microsoft Edge stand out. AI-powered search and assistance. Get detailed answers, summaries, and create images using advanced AI technology. Enhanced privacy, in-private browsing, ad blockers, and tracking prevention safeguard your online activities. Secure syncing. Synchronize your data across devices securely. Smarter shopping access coupons and earn rewards while you shop. So what are you waiting for? Explore the smarter way to browse, find, create, and do more with Microsoft Edge, your AI-powered browser that offers a fast, secure, and intelligent browsing experience. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.